Hi, I'm Nidhi. I'm currently working as a developer in one of the farm company. Do you know you are just one step away from taking the biggest decision of your life? Like coding is very important. Irrespective of your department, irrespective of anything, coding is required everywhere. And this is the main question that everyone gets: which programming language? So basically, for college students, four languages are like very important for development purpose, for placement purpose, and for this purpose only, EPT team has designed a course where you will be getting all these four languages in one course, and majorly these languages will be taught by Fang developers, right? The company you are aiming for. These courses are designed by those and they will be guiding you. So that's just an awesome, right? So do check out the course in the description and start your journey today itself, right?